Hello and welcome to the first edition of Cybrary Week in Review. In this weekly series, we will be going over the new weekly updates on courses that we have to offer here at Cybrary. We will be pinpointing which courses you should be following, the difficulty level, and the instructor for each of these courses. We'll also be highlighting new updates to the site that will help you in your experience here on Cybrary. First up, we have Intro to AWS. In this course, Shaun will introduce you to Amazon Web Services, or AWS for short. This beginner training clocks in at almost 3.5 hours and will put you on the road to getting certified in the go-to provider for public cloud adoption. Next up, we have two new editions of Breaking Stuff with Joe, our popular series taught by our own Joe Perry. In how to use tcpdump, Joe will walk you through one of the best lightweight utilities for performing network traffic capture. In how to use Thor, you'll learn how to install and use the Onion Router, an infamous tool often associated with the dark web. These short videos are both under 10 minutes but are packed with useful information that would be helpful for anyone getting into the cybersecurity profession. For our last featured course of the week, we want to highlight Introduction to Network Threat Hunting, brought to you by Bricata. This webinar covers the broad definition of threat hunting, focusing on the network aspects of the activity. This will also discuss key pillars for setting up a successful hunt and will give you the skills needed to make network threat hunting possible. Thank you all for watching, and make sure to tune in next week for another edition of Cybrary Week in Review. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, remember to like and subscribe.